Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle which we've just had come into stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi Q5 Black Edition 45 TFSI Quattro, the S-Tronic automatic gearbox. This particular model is finished in the stunning ultra blue metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 2-litre petrol engine you get 261 brake horsepower with 370 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 60 in around 5.9 seconds and onto a top speed of 149 miles per hour. On the front we have these fabulous matrix LED headlights offering you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners these 20-inch Audi Sport 5 V-spoke star design alloy wheels finished in anthracite black with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that blue metallic paintwork and working really nicely with the gloss black styling package. With the electrically operated tailgate open you get 550 litres of boot space, perfect for your everyday essentials and weekend away luggage, and with the rear seats folded down you get 1550 litres, perfect for those larger and bulkier items. The interior is finished in part leather, part Alcantara for maximum luxury, and the centre armrest and tri-zone climate control works really nicely to keep your rear passengers as comfortable as possible. Both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the S-Line leather multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sports seats with S badge embossing at the top and are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit is configurable using the left side of the multifunction controls, giving you maximum control over what is displayed. On the right is your volume and voice controls for mid-journey phone calls, and underneath your cruise control and speed limiter for precious motorway and miles per gallon. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Underneath the climate control we have the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle. And next to this is the Park Assist buttons, bringing up the front and rear sensors with the rear camera, as well as the Park Assist which lets the car park itself for you. Driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own thanks to the dual zone climate control. Also fitted to this vehicle is the 3 levels of heated seats, perfect for those cold winter mornings. If you like the look of this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or somebody come and take a look for yourself.